the 2025 Tata Nexon AMT is here, and it brings with it some exciting updates that make it one of the most compelling choices in the compact SUV segment. Tata has built a reputation for delivering feature-packed, stylish, and reliable cars, and the Nexon AMT is no exception. Today, we'll dive into what makes the 2025 Nexon AMT a standout model. First, let's talk about the design. Tata has refreshed the Nexon for 2025 with some subtle yet impactful changes. The front fascia gets a bolder grille and sharper headlamps that give the Nexon a more aggressive stance. The sleek, aerodynamic body continues to impress, combining modern design with the rugged appeal that buyers in this segment crave. You'll notice a more refined look in the alloy wheels and the updated rear tail lamps, which add a touch of sophistication to the overall styling. Now, when it comes to the AMT, automated manual transmission, Tata has made sure it's a feature that offers convenience without compromising performance. The Nexon AMT uses a 1.2-litre turbocharged petrol engine that delivers impressive power while still being efficient. This engine produces around 120 bhp and a peak torque of 170 Nm, making sure that the Nexon is both peppy and practical for city and highway driving. The AMT technology makes driving a breeze, especially in urban conditions, where stop-and-go traffic can become tedious. You can enjoy smooth gear shifts without the need for a clutch, giving you a more comfortable and stress-free driving experience. One of the standout features of the 2025 Tata Nexon AMT is the new driving modes. It offers Eco, City, and Sport modes, letting you tailor the driving experience according to your needs. Eco mode prioritizes fuel efficiency, while Sport mode delivers a more engaging driving experience for those who enjoy a bit of thrill on the road. The City mode strikes the perfect balance between comfort and performance, making it ideal for everyday driving. On the inside, the cabin of the Nexon AMT continues to impress with its high-quality materials and tech features. Tata has updated the infotainment system with a larger touchscreen display that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a host of other features that enhance the overall driving experience. The cabin remains spacious, with ample room for both passengers and luggage. Comfort features like automatic climate control, height-adjustable seats, and a premium sound system further elevate the Nexon's appeal. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Nexon AMT is loaded with advanced features. Tata has equipped it with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, escape, electronic stability control, and a rear-view camera. Additionally, it has received a 5-star safety rating in global NCAP crash tests, making it one of the safest vehicles in its class. The 2025 Tata Nexon AMT is not just a great choice for urban commuters but also for those who want a compact SUV with a blend of style, performance, and practicality. With its updated design, efficient engine, advanced features, and top-notch safety, the Nexon AMT continues to be a front-runner in its segment. If you're looking for a modern, feature-packed, and comfortable SUV, the 2025 Nexon AMT might just be the perfect option for you.